Well, hello and welcome back to the box room. This is the demo of F-18 Interceptor. I think it's landing. Lovely. I think what I'm going to do is reset. Take this disc out. Put a workbench disc in. And take another fresh disc out. And let this boot up. And in the meantime, while that's taking care of that, I found something, but there's no point in me sort of digging into it at the moment. It is an unopened copy of Art Department Professional. And it was, you need to have Kickstart and Workbench 2. It says up here, it has a 2. I don't have on this machine. It has never been opened. It was got from somewhere. The retail price was $300, and they sold it for $261.45. ASDG Incorporated. They did. Art Department. Art Department Professional Image Processing's Common Ground. Oh, sorry, we're up. Hang on. There is the packaging. It's lovely. I'm suspecting, without going into it at all and tinkering with it at all, I might just sell this. I might. In accordance with the Computer Software Rental Act of 1990, the software may not be rented, lent, or leased, but it can be sold. The other thing I'm going to look at around is Amiga plus tools. Now, oh no, I can't. This too is for the enhanced. Oh dear. Well, I can't do that. Oh well. Not at this moment, not at this juncture. But what I can do is what I intended to do is put this F-18 interceptor in here, put this fresh blank disc in here, which will come up as DF0 bad, and I will drag that over there. And then Workbench will be requested, and I will put Workbench in. And then it will ask for the destination disk. This is another one of the blank discs that has never been opened in probably 35 years or so. And we'll see if this will copy. Anyway, sorry about, I found those two great things, one of which I knew I couldn't look at, and I really probably didn't want to open. And the other, I thought, boy, this would be cool. But you must have Workbench 2.0. Oh well. These things happen when there are different versions of the operating system. And it's not that different versions are bad. It's just, I know there was a lot of pressure to always make the old versions work in the new versions, but of course you can't have the new versions work on the old versions. So this is copying, and that is good. Well, I guess we'll test it. See if it comes up. But yes, you know what? I'm getting an itch for the pet room. I am. I am. It's not that I don't like the Amiga. I do. But there are so many many discs to go through. Actually, mind you, you know what? For the 64 and other things, I have so many discs to go through as well. Hundreds, hundreds, hundreds. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. So we're almost done. 72, 73, 74. I know it's exciting. Very exciting. It's disk copy 1.2.2. That is not a good sound. Maybe there's copy protection to be dealt with here. Cannot read F-18 interceptor. Well, that's interesting. So is it the original or the copy? Oh, now it's writing. Now it's verifying. Is it going to work? Disk copy finished. Interesting. So what do we have? We have F10 interceptor, which is this disk. Okay, the drive is still doing things. It is finished. I will take this out. I will put Workbench back in. I now have the copy of F-18 interceptor. I will rename. F-18 interceptor. Okay, has it done it? It has done it. I will reboot with the copy of F-18 interceptor in the drive and see if it pops up. I will see. It would be nice to, I mean, you know what, yes, there was copy protection and everything else in the world, but it's nice to be able, especially with discs that may go really nice to have a copy. So let's see. Does it come up and does it work? And where? Okay, there's the icon, which is a big thing of a aircraft carrier, and then when you click on it, it's an aircraft carrier with a pilot looking over his shoulder back in an aircraft carrier. All right, let's see if that works. If so, I will mark it and say yay. If not, then well, it's another blank disk back into the box. So if you ever run into a thing where a thing keeps asking for a program, but you think the disk is in there, just like if you were watching, I had a disk called Kind Words. Uh-oh, is this coming up? I had a disk called Kind Words. It said Kind Words. It was fine, but it kept on coming up and asking for kind words. Oh, there we are. And so I went to look at the rename, and there was a blank space at the beginning, which means that Kind Words was not called Kind Words. It was called blank space, Kind Words. But you couldn't see that. You could not. So there's all kinds of things you can do here. Your current flight log statistics, selectable missions, next active events mission, escape restarts your selection. Oh, I see. Shift escape returns you to this menu. I did not know that. So it does seem to work. You know what? Maybe I've not done this. Enter security counter code. Oh, here's the copy protection. I have no clue. Okay, this is not going to work. Right, so somewhere, I guess you need the manual to actually fly this. Oh well. Alright, I'm going to reboot, pop out this disk. I will mark it so, because chances are somewhere in one of these boxes or one of these things, I will find the thing. Yeah. Okay. I will. So there, I have a backup. Oh, here's Workbench 2. Interesting. Well, I do want to keep these handy. I do. I do indeed. At this moment, I think I want to pop this disk in. Let's see. Extras 1.3. And maybe it will have the things that I was looking for before. Ha. Basic demos. Yes. That's what I was looking for. It might be loud. Now I wonder why was that not on the other extras. Oh well, it does not matter. I can stop that. Basic demos. Let's see here. Amiga Extras. And this one is called Amiga Extra. Oh, Amiga Basic printer driver. Interesting. What does that say? I wrote on this. Oh my golly. Amiga empty disk for testing. Oh, okay. Lovely. You know what? I'm going to put this disk in here. And I'm going to pop this disk out. That's Workbench. These are some of the things that I wanted to have happy and knowing. Okay, so I'm going to copy extras onto a blank disk. I'm going to put Amiga Workbench back in here. And then it will come up after it does what it does. And I will continue. And I will copy this other extras that has good stuff on it. Now here, Amiga Workbench 2.04, Amiga Extras 2.05, Install Disk version 2.05, Amiga Fonts 2.05, and something called Crazy Cars. I should keep a tight watch on those and make sure they're okay. I don't think that they would be of a different format. I just don't think so. So we are copying. Again, we are copying. Yep. So I do need to get and set aside like one disk box that has the critical Amiga disks in it. I do. Right now they're just sitting here along with some notes. Yep. Notes are important. Oh, yes. Here's the 2090. This is the installation and user's guide. Very handy. And then there's other discs that have never. Oh, no, these have been opened. I wonder what these ones are. They say Amiga Workbench. I'm sure I've looked at these. I should not be going over this over and over and over. Amiga Extras. Oh, good. It might not be the Amiga Workbench. Version 1.3.2. Oh, what is this? I don't know. Could this be a later version? Wherever. 30? Oh no, 34.28. Lovely. Okay. Let's see here. Copy. Extras. Basic demos. Yes. Speech. This is cool. Really? I thought Workbench was in there. Maybe it's not. Oh no, it's not. That's Amiga Workbench. This is the Amiga Extras.
Please type what you want me to say. Hello.
This is one for people who used to watch Match will recognize. Just a minute here.
Frank burns each worm.
Frank burns each worm. Yes, he does. Well, that goes way back to MASH. It does. Let's see here if I can get things out of the way. I can maybe type something in. I'm not sure.
The state of the world is pretty terrible right now, and so far all we are saying is give peace a chance.
Yes. Yeah. Peace. Yeah.
Give peace a chance. Pray for peace. Bye. Later. This is David Bradley from the Bug Room signing off for now.
Bye bye.